Today is Wednesday, May 3, 2, 1. Today is Wednesday, June 3rd, and this is your forecast for the central United States. Looking pretty quiet through much of the Midwest as high pressure remains in control. And the area that we're actually going to watch today is coming out of the Rocky Mountains into the plains, where there could be some stronger thunderstorms developing by the end of the day. Once again, that's at the very edge of the screen. You can see those by this evening firing up along the Dakotas and then moving east. There we go with the loop again. There's this line of storms pushing into southern Minnesota by the end of the day. Tomorrow looks like some of that storm activity moving into Wisconsin and maybe the UP of Michigan, but the remainder of the Midwest looking very quiet today. And warm, 85 in Grand Rapids, 83 in Detroit. We're up near 80 in Cleveland, low 80s for you in Chicago, 80s Minneapolis, Des Moines. We got sunshine in 80s from Pittsburgh, Cincy over to Louisville. Same for you in Nashville, Memphis, and St. Louis, all enjoying a nice day. It's going to get a little bit warmer tomorrow ahead of that cold front that's producing those storms out to our west. 88 tomorrow in Detroit, up near 90 by Friday, and still hanging on to 80s into the weekend. A stronger cold front's going to knock those temperatures down for everyone by Sunday night. So Monday, Tuesday of early next week looking much cooler. As we move into the south, we got some nearly stationary thunderstorm activity here over the Gulf of Mexico. Some of our forecast models have been hinting at some sort of tropical development. We are in hurricane season after all, so we'll keep an eye on what's happening down there in the Gulf. Got some very slow-moving thunderstorms there in western Texas with a risk for some flooding, mostly in areas where there aren't a lot of people that live there. 83 in Washington, D.C., 82 in Wilmington today, near 80 Charlotte, Charleston, and Savannah. We'll be in the upper 70s for Atlanta. Then we got a chance for some passing thunderstorms in New Orleans, maybe a passing rain shower in Tampa, and same as you travel all the way down to Miami, where a couple of storms will keep that heat from certainly getting to you as they peak in the afternoon. Near 90 by the end of the week there in the southeast, so it's going to feel very summery until a cold front finally comes through early next week and cools off the southeast as well. So with the clouds around, we got temperatures a little bit cooler in South Florida, 83 for a high in Fort Lauderdale. Thunderstorm with some heavier rain possible as we head into the evening. Didn't quite fit there on that line. We're going to be in the 80s through the end of the week with the chance for thunderstorms again tomorrow and Friday. You can clearly see when the risk for thunderstorms starts to diminish. That's through the weekend. Probably going to see a drier day on Sunday, and same for Monday, early next week. That is your Wednesday morning weather update. Have a terrific rest of your week, and remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.